Assalamu alaikum. Hope you're doing fine. We know measurement is an act of comparison. There we compare an unknown quantity with a known standard quantity. By doing so, we get the result in the form of a number. To deal with such numerical values, we must have the knowledge of significant figures. In this video, we are going to discuss about significant figures. Now, before going ahead, let me tell you what is meant by significant figure. The number of meaningful digits in a given number is referred as significant figures. Now, how we can count the number of significant figures in a given numerical value? For that, we have certain rules. We'll discuss them one by one. First rule says that all non-zero digits are significant. Suppose I have a number, something like this, 324. Here in this number, all the digits are non-zero. Okay? They have certain values. So, the number of a significant figure in this case is nothing but 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we have 3 non-zero digits. Clear? Then the zeros which are present between two non-zero digits are meaningful. They are considered as significant. Let me write this. Suppose I have a number 304. In this, 0 is present between two non-zero digits. So it gets meaning. It becomes meaningful and considered as significant figure. So total significant figure here is 3 again. Then suppose I have a number which appears something like this. 1200. No. Here I have a decimal point. Zeros that are present in a number at the end are usually referred as trailing zeros. Here, usually 0 is considered as meaningless, insignificant. But here, if zeros are present on the left side of decimal point in a number, then such zeros are considered as significant figures. So here we have 4 significant figures. Clear? The next, I take a similar example. Suppose I have a number 1200. If I write this without decimal point, then here 0 will be considered as insignificant. So the count of significant figures in this number is 2. They are trailing zeros without decimal point is considered as meaningless. So the count is 2 here. Then Instead, if I take this in the suppose instead of 1200, if it is obtained as a result of some measurement, I have 1200 meter. This shows that it is obtained as a result of some measurement. Then these two zeros becomes significant. Now here the count of significant figures in this number is nothing but 4. See how the same number changes the count of significant figures. If you have a decimal point, then these two zeros becomes meaningful. If it is not present, then it becomes meaningless. If these two zeros are present in a number which is obtained from a measurement, means it becomes meaningful. Clear? Then go ahead. Now, suppose I have a number, something like this, 123.00, or I take it. I'll go for a simple number. Point 007. Now in this case, these two zeros which are present on the right side of decimal point, but on the left side of a non-zero digit, are considered as insignificant or meaningless. So here the count of significant figures in this number is nothing but 1. Only one digit is meaningful here. Clear? I repeat, zeros present on the right side of decimal point and on the left side of a non-zero digit is considered as insignificant. Alright. And next, a very important thing you need to know about significant figures is the number of significant figures or the count of significant figures do not vary if you change the unit. Now let me explain this to you. Here I take a simple example. Say 12 meter. Now meter is a unit of SI unit of length. Now if I convert this into centimeter, then 12 meter can be written as 12 into 10 power 2 centimeter. How do we obtain this? How this value is obtained? Let me elaborate this. Here 1 meter have 100 centimeter. Here 100 can be written as 10 power 2 centimeter. Clear? So this way, here 10 power 2 is known as 100. Then this is a exponent as 1200 centimeter. You see, here 12 meter can be written as 1200 centimeter. Now I have changed the unit of this value. But even after doing so, see here the number of significant figures is 2. Number of significant figures is nothing but 2. Whereas here if you see, here also it remains same. We know the zeros which are present at the end are meaningless. So again here the number of significant figures is nothing but 2. So this clearly shows that If we change the unit, the count of significant figures do not vary. Clear? So these are the rules one need to keep in mind while dealing with significant figures. I hope the video is useful. If you have any kind of doubt related to the topic, kindly put a question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.